And now an update on proceedings at The Hague. Judges at the International Criminal Court have asked the Kenyan government to give its side of the story on accusations that it has refused to cooperate with the prosecutor's office. Chief Prosecutor Fatou Bensouda cited non-compliance by the Kenyan government, especially on matters of evidence. KTN's Edith Kimani has the details.
On the 13th of February, Attorney General Professor Githu Muigai will appear before judges at the ICC to present the position of the Republic of Kenya. In her latest application,
it has not been an easy decision.
Chief Prosecutor Fatou Bensouda has accused the Kenyan government of non-compliance with her office being especially difficult on submitting evidence.
There has been a lack of cooperation, and it would not be right, as Mr. Gaynor has said, for this case to fail and for the prosecution to be forced to withdraw the case, as we may be in due course if the evidence does not emerge.
It is these claims Muigai is expected to address at the status conference. Bensouda's team has asked the court to deliberate on this issue before considering the termination request by President Uhuru Kenyatta. But it is not just Bensouda who is worried about justice against perpetrators. Human rights lawyer Njonjo Mue is concerned that the prosecution of perpetrators of post-election violence locally went from sluggish to dead slow.
When states leave those sorts of crimes unpunished, then it undermines the rule of law, and it leaves the particular society vulnerable to a repeat of what happened.
If your honours do not do justice in this case for the victims, nobody will.
Victims that will have to wait a little longer.
We do not know at this stage when decisions are expected on those subject matters that were discussed in yesterday's state conference vis-a-vis request for the termination or withdrawal of the charges.
In the meantime, it will be Kenya versus the Office of the Prosecution on the 13th of February as Professor Githu Muigai takes on Bensouda's team. Edith Kimani, KTN.